Kamakhya Temple, located on the Neela-Adri hills near Guwahati, Assam, is one of the most ancient and revered Shakti Peethas in India. It is dedicated to goddess Kamakhya, regarded as the embodiment of desire and creative power, and has been a center of tantric worship since at least the 7th century CE. Ancient origins are mythology. Shakti Peetha legend. The temple is linked to the myth of Sati, Dakshayani. When Sati immolated herself at Daksha's Yajna, Lord Shiva wandered with her body. Her womb and yoni are believed to have fallen at Neelachal hill, making Kamakhya one of the Yabhe Okkashakti Peethas. Kamdeva's worship. Scriptures say Kamdeva, the god of love, regained his potency here after being cursed by Shiva. Hence Kamakhya is revered as the goddess of desire. Historical development. Early strata, archaeological and textual evidence suggests worship at the site from the 7th century CE, with a temple complex established by the 11th century CE. Dynastic patronage. Mleccha dynasty, 8th century, first patrons of the shrine. Pala dynasty, linked Kamakhya to Narka, progenitor of Kamrupa kings. Koch dynasty, 16th century, King Nara Narayan rebuilt the temple in 1565 CE after destruction. Ahom rulers continued patronage, expanding the temple complex. Architecture. The temple combines stone foundations from Kamrupa period with later brick shikhra, spire, forming the unique Neelachal style. Temple complex on Neela-Adri, Neelachal hills. The hill system comprises 3 segments, Brahma, Shiva and Varha hills, collectively called Neelachla, also known as Kamgiri, Mahagiri, Kamakhya Yoni Mandala. The complex includes shrines for the 10 Mahavidyas, Kali, Tara, Tripura Sundari, Bhuvneshwari, Bhairavi, Chinnamasta, Dhumavati, Baglamukhi, Matangi, Kamla. Inside the main sanctum, Tripura Sundari, Kamakhya, Matangi, Saraswati, Kamla, Lakshmi. Other Mahavidyas have individual temples around the hill. Numerous sacred ponds, shrines of Pacha Shivas, Ganesha, Vishnu and Yogini sculptures enrich the site. Worshipped rituals. An iconic form. The goddess is worshipped in a yoni-shaped stone fed by a perennial spring, symbolizing fertility and creative energy. Tantric practices. Kamakhya is the center of Kulachara Tantra Marga, blending Shakt, Buddhist and local traditions. Major festivals. Ambubachi Mela celebrates the annual menstruation of the goddess, symbolizing fertility. Navratri, Shakti worship with grand rituals. Spiritual significance. Kamakhya is revered as the Mahadevi, Parvati, Tripura Sundari, Bhavani, Sati, embodying desire, fertility, and cosmic creative power. It is considered the primary Shakti Peetha, attracting millions of devotees, tantric practitioners, and pilgrims worldwide. In summary, Kamakhya Temple on Neela-Adri, Neelachal Hills, is not just a shrine but a vast sacred complex blending mythology, tantra, and dynastic history. It stands as the epicenter of Shakti worship in India, where the goddess is venerated in her most primal form, the eternal source of creation and desire.